Forget pie and cake, you have to make this incredible bread pudding with rum sauce this holiday season. This is one of my favorite desserts. Ordinary bread becomes something magical when you soak it in cream, butter, spices, and eggs, and the sauce just takes it over the top. Don't skip it. Soak a half cup of raisins in hot water. Golden raisins have better flavor, but black raisins look more striking in the dessert. Dry your 16 ounces of French bread by breaking it up into 1 to 2 inch pieces and place those pieces on a baking sheet. We are breaking up the bread before we heat it in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way, so it dries up faster. While the bread bakes, melt 1 stick of butter. Bake your bread until it is a little crispy on the outside, but not as dry as croutons. This can take up to a half an hour. Make the custard by cracking 4 eggs into a very large bowl and whisking in a half cup of sugar. Then stream in your cooled melted butter. Your butter may re-solidify a bit, but that's okay. Whisk in 2 cups of whole milk, whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream, whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and any spices to your taste. I added a half teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, cardamom, cloves are good choices. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of spiced rum. Now add your cooled bread pieces. Soak until they have absorbed almost all of the liquid. This can take anywhere from a few minutes up to a half an hour. Layer half of your bread pudding in an 8x8 or 9x9 inch baking pan. You may need to grease your pan, but I didn't grease mine. Top with half of your drained raisins. Then top with the other half of the bread pudding, followed by the other half of your raisins. Bake in a 320 degree Fahrenheit oven anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes or until it is still slightly jiggly in the middle but puffed and dry looking. Cool to room temperature for clean slices, but warm tastes best. This is best consumed within 4 hours of making it, but refrigerated as soon as it comes to room temperature for food safety reasons. To make the rum sauce, simply combine a 1/3 cup of cream, a half cup of milk, an egg, and a half cup of sugar in a cold saucepan. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 to 2 tablespoons of spiced rum. Turn the heat on low and whisk constantly until thick. Pour the sauce generously over each slice of bread pudding and enjoy immediately.